Hi, this is Dr. Norris at Nicole Norris MD Medical Spa. So if you're watching this video, it means you expressed interest in our ultimate neck and décolleté revitalization package. So we've never done this before, but we are offering a package that could take 3 or 4 months for you to complete, but would provide 4 different modalities, 4 different treatment types in order to bring some life back to your neck and your chest. So what does it entail? 4 procedures, all separated by about 3 to 4 weeks at the least. You can pick any order for the procedures. A lot of times it'll be us kind of steering you in the direction of what you should do first. So a treatment that everyone loves, that we've been doing on face, neck, and décolleté for the last 2 years is called biorevitalization. So the first treatment of this focused package for neck and décolleté is biorevitalization. Biorevitalization includes a chemical that is patented in Italy. This product comes in a vial. When you purchase biorevitalization, you're purchasing the product in a vial to apply. We apply this in a special way. We've all been trained and certified by the company. And basically, the contents or the ingredients includes a 33% trichloric acid peel. Now, this trichloric acid peel is unique because it's been reformulated so that it actually gets immediately absorbed into the thin skin of the neck and décolleté. And that immediate absorption means you're probably not going to peel. You don't have to worry about sun exposure. It is causing an injury to the skin. The skin says, I've been injured, I need to make brand new skin. But that injury is deep, it's not something you can see. You'll see an immediate maybe amount of skin tightening, which is not a long-term effect. But over the course of the next couple of months, of course, that's when you see your own collagen working for you. So this treatment, no pain, no downtime. You have kind of a little immediate, oh my gosh, it looks better, neck décolleté. Okay, so next treatment is a radio frequency energy treatment. Our device is called Tempture. With the Tempture device, we use a handpiece that is connected to a radio frequency machine that makes energy. And you also have a grounding pad on your back. The energy in the form of electrons is bouncing back and forth between this handpiece, which is going to be used only on the neck. The handpiece sends the electrons to the grounding pad. They bounce back and forth. That bouncing back and forth is what causes the heat energy to be produced. This heat energy causes our elasticin, which is the part of our skin that causes it to be able to bounce back. It helps it to be better. It helps to preserve it. Because as we age, elastin actually is something that we lose. And when we lose it, it's gone. So this is a great treatment to preserve the elastin that we have, as well as create a little heat energy, a little heat injury as well. And just like I said before, that injury to the skin stimulates the skin to make new skin. And what is new skin? New skin includes collagen. So this is a great treatment for the neck, especially to kind of help some of that gravitational laxity midline. We say it's best for mild to moderate laxity. If it's moderate to severe laxity in this midline, probably the ultimate treatment is a neck lift. Okay, no pain, no downtime with the radio frequency treatment. Okay, next, here we go. So now I have my laser all set up here, and your next treatment is going to be done with a handpiece that looks like this. Now this is a resurfacing laser. It is essentially what we call a non-ablative resurfacing laser. Non-ablative means we're injuring the skin, but we're not destroying the skin. There are some lasers that have the ability to destroy skin, and hence there's a lot of downtime. With this guy, we're just injuring the skin, so not a lot of downtime. A little bit of puffy, a little bit of red, probably for the next 24 hours. But if we're treating just your neck and your décolleté, it's not something that's super visible to other people, especially if you're wearing a shirt that covers your chest. So this procedure, we actually are going to be firing this laser, which is the end of it is about the size of a postage stamp, all across your chest and then as well on your neck. It feels like a pinprick, or some people say it feels like a hot rubber band snap, but it's very tolerable. And we use settings that are appropriate for this very thin skin of the neck and décolleté. It is stimulating more collagen, just like I've mentioned the other two procedures do, but it's probably stimulating the most collagen of all three, given the amount of energy that's coming out of this laser. So afterwards, you know, a little red, a little swollen, you put on some topical product. We have a really nice neck product called Perfecting Neck and Décolleté that's great to use when you're healing from these procedures. Okay, now, fourth treatment. Sorry, let me get my next laser. Okay, this laser is called an IPL laser, or some patients will call it a photofacial laser when we use it on the face. But this laser is made only to use on the body, including the neck and chest. This laser is only attracted to brown pigment or brown spots, little freckles, or a little bigger than little freckles. And basically what it's gonna do, it's gonna heat up those pigment deposits and explode them. When they explode, you don't really feel that, but they become tiny little molecules of pigment. Those very tiny molecules can now work their way out of the skin. So this laser is not for creating collagen. This laser is for helping to take off the top couple layers of brown pigment that you've been collecting your whole life. So will one treatment take away all your brown? Probably not, because you've spent your whole life collecting it. But will it make an improvement in the brown? For sure. You can do more treatments with this laser if necessary to further lighten the brown, but it's pretty amazing that one treatment can make a significant difference. So I'm sure you have questions. We're happy to answer your questions. So I'm going to give you a few more little pearls about these treatments, but at any time, if you want to give us a call to ask specific questions, if you want me to take a look at your neck and décolleté, I'd be happy to do that. What you would want to make sure of, these are your pearls, during this treatment period, which is going to be 3 to 4 months, we want to make sure this area is staying out of intense heat. Not just the sun, but staying out of intense heat. Because heat and intense sunlight is something that you can't be exposed to at least 3 weeks before and 3 weeks after the 2 laser procedures. But also, when you're in intense heat, you're further causing aging and injury, and we're trying to undo that aging and injury. So just keep that in mind. If your winter months, do include intense heat, this is not a procedure for you. I have other things that we can do, so let me know. We can also modify these 4 procedures and potentially substitute other things if for some reason you're not a candidate for one of these procedures. So I think that's it. So if you're interested in this great package, which interestingly we came up with because it's November, we were thinking about turkeys, that makes you think about a turkey neck, sorry. Anyway, if you're interested, it's put down a $300 deposit in the month of November so you can secure the package pricing for the procedure. And as you saw in the newsletter, it's a great deal. So I think that's all that I have to tell you. So give us a call if you have any questions or concerns or you want to know more. Thanks.